Good evening from the top of the world. I hope you all are doing absolutely well, and if you're thinking about me, I'm doing good as well. In this video, I'll teach you guys how to change your league name in Fantasy Premier League if you have kept a really stupid name or some of the people just don't like it. So you cannot do this with your PL or Premier League app, so you must log in into your browser, whichever you are using. I'm using Chrome as of now, and you can use any one that you prefer. So you click on Fantasy Premier League, or you enter Fantasy Premier League on Google or any of the search engine that you are using. The first link that pops up is the official link, and you gotta log in into your account of Fantasy Premier League. So after you're in this page, you can see the navigation bar, and what you're gonna click on is you're gonna click on this more button, and at the second you'll see leagues and cups. You click on that and you'll see the leagues and cup that you are inside of. These are the private leagues that I'm inside, and this is my own league. So if you are on your own league and you want to change your name, you will click on the settings button right here. So you click on here and you click on administer, and here will be the league name, and you can enter anything that you prefer. And after you are done with everything, you click on update league, and you are done, and your league name will be updated and it will be changed from Gupti's to the name that you have entered. So this is how you change your league name on FPL, and if you guys learned something today or found this video helpful, please do leave a thumbs up below and comment down what you'd like to see next. Until then, have a good time.